ruled during 319 से 500 AD. Who of the following rulers performed four Ashwamedha? Parvar Sen I. Who is known as Napoleon of India? Samudragupta. Napoleon of ancient India, Samudragupta. Gupta king has another name, Devgupta. Chandragupta II. First Gupta ruler to assume title of Param Bhagavat was Samudragupta. First Gupta ruler assumed title of Param Bhagavat, Samudragupta. Allahabad pillar inscription associated with Chandra Ashok and Samudragupta. Ashoka pillar at Allahabad provide information about Samudragupta, about the reign of Samudragupta. Prayag Persist details about military campaign of Samudragupta. What was the name of ruler of Kosla in Samudragupta Prayag Persisti? Mahendra. An inscription by which of the following is found on the pillar containing Prayag Persisti of Samudragupta? Jahangir. Which of the following Gupta ruler is referred to as Lichvi Dohitra, son of the daughter of the Lichvi, Samudragupta? Prithivya Pratham Veer was title of Samudragupta. Harihar Sen was the famous poet of Samudragupta court. He was also author of Prayag Persisti. Dhananjay was Samudragupta contemporary king of South India, their kingdom. Dhananjay Kustalpura, Nilaraj Avakmukta, Ugrasen Palak, Vishnu Gopa Kachi. Iron column located in the courtyard of Delhi Qubat ul Islam Mosque is retention of Chandra. Which Gupta ruler assumed the throne after killing his elder brother Chandragupta II? Which dynasty was distracted the most by the Hunas invasion? Gupta. Hunas invaded India during the reign of Skandagupta. Who among the following Gupta ruler conquered Hunas? Skandagupta. Gupta emperor defeated Hunas. Skandagupta. Who among the following ruler defeated Hunas? Skandagupta. Skandagupta defeated Hunas. Which inscription? Bhitari pillar inscription. There are different cause for downfall of the Gupta emperor. Arab invasion नहीं था. हुना invasion, feudal set of administration, acceptance of Buddhism by later Gupta. Who is known as Saka conqueror? Chandragupta II. Who was the first Gupta ruler to issue silver coin? Chandragupta II. With reference of Chandragupta II, which of the following statement is correct? The strongest evidence in context of Saka victory is silver coin of this king. Weight of this coin used to be about 33 grain. After conquering the Saka, which of the following metal coins were introduced by Chandragupta II? Silver. Fahen. Chinese pilgrim traveled to the India during reign of Chandragupta II. Famous Chinese pilgrim Fahen Chandragupta II. Chandragupta II married his daughter Prabhavati and strengthened his position. Bakatak dynasty. Prabhavati Gupta was the ruler of Bakatak dynasty. Parvar Sen. Bakatak dynasty, Indian ruled and city ruled over central and southern third beginning of 6th century. Parvar Sen one, his successor, founder of this dynasty, Vindhya Sakti. During the time of Parvar Sen, one boundary of the Bakatak dynasty reached from Bundelkhand in north to Deccan, including modern Hyderabad in south. Bakatak rulers expanded their territory, include vast region under their influence. Among the rulers of Bakatak dynasty, Parvar Sen assumed the title of Samrat Emperor and performed the several Ashwamedha yajna, horse sacrifice, and Vedic rituals according to Puran. He is referred to Parabira. Thus, all the given statements are correct, not correctly matched. Kumargupta Mandsaur inscription, Patik Takshila inscription, पर चंद्रगुप्त उदयगिरी केव इंस्क्रिप्शन, समुद्रगुप्त ईरान इंस्क्रिप्शन, प्रभावती गुप्ता उदयगिरी केव इंस्क्रिप्शन, फर्स्ट एडवर्टाइजमेंट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड दासपुर इंस्क्रिप्शन, Mansur Persisty present in the detail of the achievement of which ruler Kumar Gupta I. Which of the following inscription reveals information about silk weaver guild? A. Daspur inscription. In relation to the Daspur inscription of Kumar Gupta and Bandhu Burman, which statement is incorrect? Inscription was composed by Bhavabhuti Batasbhati. Mentioned construction of Sun Temple by Guild of Silk Weaver, oldest example of advertisement tradition in Bharat. Inscription also referred the Daspur as Paschim-pur. King and Queen Chandragupta Kumar Devi, Samudragupta Datta Devi, Chandragupta Kuber Nag, Kumargupta Anant Devi. Which one of the following is correct sequence of administrative division during Gupta period? Bhukti, Visya, Bhiti, Grama. From the 3rd century AD, when the Huna invasion ended Roman Empire, the Indian merchant relied more and more on the Southeast Asian trade. Which of the following port handled the North Indian trade during Gupta period? Tamralipti. Which of the following port was in use for the North Indian trade during Gupta period? Southeast Asia, China, Lanka, Java, Sumatra. India mentioned its early cultural contacts and trade link with Southeast Asia across Bay of Bengal. For preeminence of the early maritime history, Bay of Bengal, which of the following could be the most convincing explanation of the monsoon wind across Bay of Bengal facilitated the sea voyage? With the reference of the Saini guilds, the Saini of ancient India played an important role in the country economy. Which of the following is base rules of work, standard and prices were fixed by the guild. Guild have judicial power over its member. Center located in Gujarat, Bengal, Deccan and Tamil countries during the Gupta period were associated with Takshila manufacture. In ancient period, which Parna was also called as Sarthavaha Vasya. Who among the following known for his work on medicine during Gupta period? Sushruta, father of surgery. Sonaka, age of Rig Veda. Sudraka was dramatist of Gupta period. Somila is a playwright of Gupta period. Who among the following known for his Ayurvedic thematic composition during Gupta period? Who among not associated with the medicine in ancient India? Bhaskaracharya. Leelavati was written by Bhaskaracharya. Different kind of a specialized surgical instrument were in common use of AD first. The concept of sine of an angle is known as 5th century AD. Concept of cyclic quadrilateral was known in 7th century AD. In his travel through India, Pahyan was mentioned a hospital. It is located at Patliputra. Who, who, who of the following among 9 gems of Chandragupta was associated with the astrology? Chapanak. Kalidas was in the ruling period of Chandragupta. Who among the following was first to explain that rotation of Earth on its own axis, account the daily rising and setting of the sun? Aryabhat. Gupta gold coin, dinar. Gupta gold coin, dinar. Silver coin, rupaka. First Gupta ruler to issue coin, Chandragupta I. Sanskrit plays written during the Gupta period. Women and Sudra speaks Prakrit. First inscriptional evidence of Sati Pratha has been found from Iran. Who established Gupta Sambat? Chandragupta I. Ashoka Priyadarshi, Samudragupta Prakarmanak, Chandragupta Vikramaditya, Skandagupta Kramaditya. Gradual decline of town was an important feature of Gupta period. Ruling dynasty donated maximum village to temple and Brahmin. Gupta dynasty. In ancient, which dynasty rule considered the golden age? Gupta. During which age did women enjoy equality with men? None of these. Land revenue rate in Gupta is 6 part of production. Land revenue 1/6. Valid tax according to Hindu law 1/6. Which type of land was called aprahat? Without cultivated forest land. With reference of history of India, the term Kulapya and Dronapya denote measurement of land. Gupta Empire granted tax-free agrarian land to Brahmins. In ancient, irrigation tax was Udka Bhaga. Irrigation device called Arghatte was a large wheel and earthen pot tied to the outer end of its spoke. In 3 AD, Warangal was famous for iron implements. With reference of period of Gupta dynasty in ancient India, town Ghantasala, Kadura, Chaul were well known as port handling foreign trade. Tormana was from the racial group of Huna. Who amongst the following had defeated Huna ruler Mihir Kula? Yasodharman. Chinese traveler Sung Yun came to India 518 से 521. Chinese pilgrim who visited India in the early 6th century, Sung Yun. Meghavarman, the ruler of Sri Lanka, sent missionary to which of the following Gupta king for permission to build a Buddhist temple at Gaya? Samudragupta. Read the following statement carefully. Gupta Emperor claimed divine right for themselves. They extended the tradition of land grant. With reference of forced labor bhasti in India during the Gupta period, which one of the following? It was considered a source of income for state and sought tax paid by the people. The game of chess is said to be originated in India. Miricha Kartika, an ancient Indian book written by Sudraka, deals with the love affair of rich merchant with the daughter of courtsman, whose contribution is there in ancient Sankhya Darshan Kapila. System of philosophy propounded by Kapil Muni is Sakya philosophy. Kapila. Reference of history philosophical thought in India. Consider the statement regarding Sakya. Sakya holds that it is the self-knowledge that leads to liberation and not any exterior influence or agent. Kapil is the earliest exponent of Sakya. Kapil teaches that a man's life is shaped by the force of nature and not by any divine agency. Satkaryavad is the main doctrine of Samkhya philosophy. Who propagated Yoga Darshan? Patanjali. The inventor of yoga was Patanjali. Anantarang sadhana under Ashtanga Yoga. Dharna. Which among the following is not part of Ashtanga Yoga? Anusmriti. Writer of Mahabhasya Patanjali was contemporary of Pushyamitra Sung. Founder of School of Nyaya was Gangesh and Udayan. Live well as long as you live. Live well even by borrowing, for once cremated there is no return. This is rejection of after life is an aphorism of the Charvaka. The conscience of body is soul. Charvaka. Who accepted only perception? Charvaka. Highest value according to Charvaka. Calm. Charvaka philosophical system was also called Lokyata system. Nyaya philosophical system was propagated by Gautam. The founder of Nyaya philosophy, Gautam. Founder of Nyaya philosophy, Gautam. Author of Nyaya Darshan, Gautam. Nyaya Darshan, logical thinking. Mimamsa, performing Vedic ritual. Sankhya, acquisition of real knowledge. Vedanta, knowledge of self. न्याय गौतम, पूर्व मीमांसा जामिनी, साक्य कपिल, वेदांता बद्रयाना, वैशेषिका, उल्लूकखंड, योगा पतंजलि. न्याय फिलोसफी. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द सिनोनिम ऑफ फॉर नॉलेज? ज्ञान, बुद्धि, कॉग्निशन, उपलब्धि, एप्रीहेंशन. Which of the following pairs school of thought proponent is correctly matched? वैशेषिका कनाडा मुनि, न्याय गौतम, पूर्व मीमांसा जामिनी, उत्तर मीमांसा बद्रयान. Mimamsa was initiated by Jamini. Theory of karma is related to Mimamsa. Which of the following school of philosophy opinion that Vedas contain the eternal truth? Mimamsa. Doctrine of Apurva is related to Mimamsa. Which of the following philosophy of India propounded the atom theory? Vaisheshika. Who among the following is called founder of Indian atomism? Maharshi Karnad. Which one of the following pair does not form a part of sixth system of Indian philosophy? Lokyata or Kapalika. Which of the following is Nastic school of thought? Buddha. Which is called Lokyata Darshan? Charvaka. Founder of Advaita philosophy? Shankaracharya. Samskar philosophy is called non-dualism. Called crypto-Buddhist? Samkara. Which of the following according to Advaita Vedanta Can mukti be obtained by Gyan? Who was the founder of Visist Advait Siddhant? Ramanujacharya. Who among the following is not related to the philosophy of Vedanta? Abhinav Gupta. Era or विक्रम era 58, गुप्ता era 320, साका विक्रम era 58, साका era 78, गुप्ता era 320, काली era 3102. Consider the statement, select the correct answer from the code. विक्रम संवत 58, साका 78, गुप्ता 319. Muslim ruler in India began 1192. Gandhiya was a queen. Badami rock inscription Pulkesin 2 dated Saka era 465. The same bear dated in Bikram Sambat 601. Malob Sambat was also known as Kreet Sambat. A Chalukya inscription dated in the year 556 of the Saka era. It is equivalent to 634. According to Purana, the prime place of Chandrabansam ruler was अयोध्या नहीं, Persistanpur. Capital of Mukhari was Kannauj. Not correctly matched. Sarbanbram Gaya copper plate. Mukhari king north. Mukhari. Gupta until the rise of Harshvardhan. In early 17th century, kingdom were holding power in northern India. Gupta of Magad, Pushyabhuti of Thaneswar, Mukharis of Kannauj और Maitrakas of Vallavi. Who laid the foundation of Vardhan dynasty? Pushyabhuti. Information regarding time of Harsha is contained in the book of Kalhana. Who written Harsh Charitra? Charitra Bhanvat. Capital of Harsha Empire was Kannauj. Emperor Harsha had shifted the capital from Thaneswar to Kannauj. Harshvardhan organized two great religious conventions in Kannauj or Prayag. The place UP where Harshvardhan organized Buddha Mega Convention Prayag. Which of the following ruled Assam in the time of Harsha? Bhaskar Varman. Emperor Harsha's southward march was stopped on Narmada river by Pulkesin II. Among the following rulers had defeated Harshvardhan? Pulkesin II. Chalukya where ruler Pulkesin's victory over Harsha was in the year 618. Choose the correct. Kusana Devputra Pulkesin II. Pulkesin II दक्षिण पतेश्वर हर्षवर्धन सकालोत्तर पठानाथा समुद्रगुप्त काबिराजा. Poet Bana was inhabitant of Chinese traveler Hun Tsang visited Harshvardhan. Chinese traveler visited India during Harshvardhan. Hun Tsang. Chinese traveler Hun Tsang. Award punishment for offense of or deals by the fire, water, position, bear instrument for determining innocence or guilt. Person tradesman had to pay duty at fees and barrier solution. Who sent Hun Tsang as an emissary to the court of Harsha? The Jong of Tang dynasty. During Hentesang tour, India's most famous city for the production of cotton clothes was Mathura. Kusia has been used for silk. Chinese traveler Hentesang studied at the University of Nalanda. Major reason behind the remembering Hentesang is composition of Siu Ki. Chinese traveler visited Beanmal was Hentesang. Traveler Siu Ki linked with Hentesang. Chinese traveler Itisang was on the tour of Bihar is about 671 से 695. Each of the following phrase define the nature of hundi, bill of exchange. Chinese writer mention India in the name of Yun Tu. Nalanda University destroyed by Muslim. Most ancient monastery in India is Nalanda. Nalanda is located in Bihar. During post-Gupta, main business center was Kannauj. The main feature of the agrarian structure in the post-Gupta period was development of feudalism. Landowner, middle class, and a dependent peasant class came into existence in this period. Chinese Phahen Chandragupta Hentesang Harsa. Phahen Chandragupta Hentesang Harsa. Phahen Chandragupta Hentesang Harsa. Correctly matched. इतिसांग 671 से 695. अल मसूद्दीन 915 से 16. फाहेन 402 से 412. यूनतसांग 629 से 645. फाहेन 402 से 12. यूनतसांग 629 से 45. इतिसांग 71 से 95. अलब्रूनी 17 से 30. Sun Temple of Multan mentioned by Hentesang, Abu Jadi al-Musidi and al-Bruni. Pilgrimage to Sambapur was associated with sun worship. Emergence of administrative structure on the control of possession of land. Creation of lord-vassal relationship between feudal lord and his overlord. Who is the author of Sundoni inscription of Yasodharman? Basula Kabi. Which one of the following statement is not true for the Shankaracharya saint in a century? He named Prayag at Tirthraj. Adi Shankar, who later became Shankaracharya, was Kerala. Where are 4 monasteries established Adil Shankaracharya situated? Joshimath, Dwarka, Puri or Srinangeri. Which of the following not included in Char Dham? Rameswaram. Ravi Kirti Pulkesin 2. Banbhuti Yashovarman Kannauj. Hari Sen Prayag Persistent Secretary of Samudragupta. Dandi Narasimha Barman. Banbhat Poet Laureate of Harsa. Amir Khusro Alauddin Khilji. Kalidas Chandragupta 2. Hari Sen Samudragupta. Banbhat Harshvardhan. भोज धार दुर्गावती गोंडवाना समुद्रगुप्त विदिशा अशोक उज्जैन. करेक्टली मैच्ड. भिलता मध्य प्रदेश. और गिरनार गुजरात, द्वार समुद्र होयसाला कर्नाटका, स्थानेश्वर हरियाणा।